Good day everyone, my name is Richelle Meriseno Pangan and I'm going to discuss Fibonacci sequence. Keep on watching!
History of Fibonacci sequence. The one who invented and discovered the Fibonacci sequence is Leonardo of Pisa, also known as Leonardo Bonacci, Leonardo Bigolo Pisano, and Leonardo the Traveler from Pisa. He was the Italian mathematician who was born around 1170 and died 1240. According to Kate Devlin, Leonardo of Pisa did not actually discover the sequence. Kate Devlin, a mathematician of Stanford University and the author of Finding Fibonacci, the quest to rediscover the forgotten mathematical genius who changed the world. However, in 1202, Leonardo of Pisa published the massive tome Liber Abaci, a mathematics cookbook for how to do calculation. Written for tradesmen, Liber Abaci laid out Indo-Arabic arithmetic useful for tracking profits, losses, remaining loan balances, and so on, Devlin said. Liber Abaci first introduced the sequence to the Western world, but after a few scant paragraph on breeding rabbits, Leonardo of Pisa never mentioned the sequence again. In fact, it was mostly forgotten until the 19th century when mathematicians worked out more about the sequence's mathematical properties. Meaning of Fibonacci sequence. The Fibonacci sequence is one of the most famous formulas in mathematics. Each number in the sequence is the sum of the two numbers that precede it. So the sequence goes 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, and so on. The mathematical equation describing it is xn plus 2 equals xn plus 1 plus xn. Example of Fibonacci sequence. Shells follow the progressive proportional increase of the Fibonacci sequence. Shells are probably the most famous example of the sequence because the lines are very clean and clear to see. They are also fun to collect and display. And then, there, you have it, your own little piece of math. The part of the flower in the middle of the petals, the pistil, follows the Fibonacci sequence much more intensely than other pieces of nature, but the result is an incredible piece of art. The pattern formed by the curve the sequence creates used repeatedly produces a lovely and intricate design. Kinds of flowers follow the pattern, but roses are suited to use as an example of Fibonacci sequence because the petals aren't spread out and the spiral is more obvious and clear. Like with the shell, the petals unfold more and more and the sequence increases. Fibonacci sequence is equals to 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, and so on. Here the third term 1 is obtained by adding first and second term. 0 plus 1 equals 1. Similarly, 2 is obtained by adding the second and third term. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 3 is obtained by adding the third and fourth term. 1 plus 2 equals 3, and so on. What is the 10th term in Fibonacci sequence? F10 is equals to 55 because F8 plus F9 equals F10. F8 is equivalent to 21 and F9 is equivalent to 34 and equals to 55 F10.